Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this beautiful 2015 Cadillac Escalade. This is the premium model, which is the second to highest trim level you can get in the Escalade. Very well equipped with features, and 2015 is a great year for the Escalade because it got a complete ground-up redesign, looking better than ever. This thing features this beautiful leather interior, rich high-grade materials throughout. You have synthetic suede, leather, contrast stitching on the dashboard, beautiful wood and leather wrapped steering wheel, heated and cooled front seats. Of course, you're going to have navigation, parking camera, overhead camera, power adjustable pedals. This one has retractable running boards, push button glove box. We even have an original build sheet on this one. We can provide you a copy when you come in, or we can email it to you. I'll kind of go over the big ticket features. $86,830,000 original MSRP. The retractable running boards was a $1,700 option. And of course, we can provide you with a full list of features. You have a height adjustable tailgate. So if you have a lower garage, you can set it so it doesn't open all the way, so the tailgate doesn't hit the top of your garage. 6.2 liter V8 making 420 horsepower. This one has a heads-up display projecting speed and other vital information right in the windshield, so you don't have to look down off the road. The gauge cluster is completely an LCD display. Really cool and configurable. Great sounding Bose audio system. The list of features goes on and on. When it comes to full-size luxury SUVs, it doesn't get too much better than a Cadillac Escalade. The Escalade has been a choice for a lot of people when it comes to full-size vehicles. Just the look, the styling, the theme of it. It's quite unlike any other full-size luxury SUV on the road. Where kind of a lot of the other competition has a little bit more restrained styling. The Escalade is a little bit more bolder. A lot of eye candy on the outside. You have a Blu-ray entertainment system, rear climate control. You have, looks like you have a lot of different slots, RCA, USB, and you can also put an SD card in there to connect to the infotainment system. Rear climate control, heated second row seats. Also have a power folding down rear seats. Pretty cool stuff. And you also have a power return on the third row as well. And I'm pretty sure the power seats is a feature that you get with the premium model. And then of course we have the power retractable running boards. Also, a 22-inch wheel and tire package. Pretty much brand new tires. I think the tires were only put on a couple thousand miles ago. Not cheap, so 4 new tires is a big perk on a vehicle like this. LED headlights provide outstanding nighttime visibility. You also have cornering night lights, lane departure warning, forward collision warning, forward emergency braking, rear emergency braking. There's a fantastic 6.2 liter V8. Pretty sure this is the same engine they use in the Corvette. Obviously it's tuned a little bit differently. 420 horsepower is enough to rocket this thing to 0 to 60 in a little over 6 seconds. That's definitely sports car territory, not something you'd expect of a big SUV like this. And of course, that big engine also lends for excellent towing ability. I think the tow rating is a little over 8,000 pounds. It's hard to see now, but at nighttime, these you have LED strips that light up the door handles, kind of like a welcome feature. And these Really big tail lights provide outstanding nighttime visibility, and they really look cool when they're on at night. If you're in the market for a full-size luxury SUV with all the creature comforts that you can think of, this Cadillac Escalade Premium is definitely worth a look. It also is backed by a 5-day 100% money-back guarantee. We want to make sure that you're happy with the vehicle you purchased from us, be it new or pre-owned. That's why we have that 5-day money-back guarantee. No gimmicks, no restocking fees. It really truly is 100% money back. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Hopefully we see you in our store very soon, and have a wonderful day.